Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying core account details so you can act fast. First, log in and confirm two-factor authentication is working. If not, restore access through your email or phone. Next, check account status and platform alerts for holds, verification requests, or margin flags. Once done, collect supporting documents. Government ID, recent statements, Form 1099 if relevant, and screenshots of the exact trade-disabled message. These items speed up the fix when you contact support. You now focus on the middle steps that remove the restriction. If verification is pending, upload the requested ID or bank proof and wait for confirmation. Expedited review often takes a few hours. If the issue is a margin or compliance hold, transfer funds or sell non-critical positions to meet maintenance thresholds. You can use a wire for speed. Make sure to follow any on-screen prompts exactly and monitor the status page until the platform shows the restriction cleared. You finish by validating the fix and preparing for recurrence. First, test trading with a small market order or the platform's simulated order tool to confirm functionality. If the disablement persists, contact live support immediately and provide the documents and screenshots you collected. Insist on an escalation number. As a key troubleshooting tip, review account logs and notification history to spot automated triggers like rapid order rejection or geoblocks, and set alerts so you catch the problem earlier next time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.